Hey, welcome to Outdoor with Beane. I'm here today to talk about Lake Waccamaw State Park. They got several trails out here, guys. This is a beautiful place, and they even got some alligators. So if you want to get a chance to maybe look at some alligators, you can go there, check it out. I know you're probably hearing about a lot of alligators in the news, but I'm definitely not going to get into that. But here we go, guys. Let's see, we got Lakeshore Trail, which is 4 miles long according to this brochure, because somebody in person told me it was 5 miles. So you let me know in the comments below if you go and you got a tracker how long it was for you. But that's definitely a good sized trail there, because it's one way, so you got to double that. And then you got the Loblolly Trail, which is 0.65, and then you got the Pine Woods Trail, which is 1.8 miles, and then you got the Sandy Ridge Trail, which is 0.75 miles. And they all say easy except the Lakeshore Trail, and it's showing moderate on the map. And I got on that trail, and to me it was kind of easy. I guess it's moderate because it's long, but it's definitely a cool place to check out. Some great lake views, which I'm about to show you here. And overall, I'll give it probably I say about a 9 out of 10. It's definitely a lot to do there. And then also when you go in the information station, they just make you feel at home. As soon as I got in, me and my family got there, and they made us feel welcome, and asked us when they needed help. And she was very helpful. She gave me this brochure right here because I was looking for the map. It was probably right in front of me. I couldn't see it, but you know how that goes. But yeah, they definitely make you feel home there, and very nice. And it's just a great place to check out. It's neat. And for me, I was headed to the beach anyway, so it's kind of like towards the coast over there. So I was like, I gotta check this place out. And it definitely was. It was a nice place, and I would definitely recommend it for you. So stay tuned, guys. I also got some waterfalls coming in the future. And like and subscribe if you don't mind. And y'all stay blessed and go hiking. And I'll see you next time, guys. Enjoy.